Hey guys, welcome to the new tutorial, short intro series 4. Here we will discuss the basic formatting text in HTML. Let's start headings, and we have 6 type of headings, H1 to H6. Then we will discuss paragraph, bold, italic, underline, and strike through. So let's move on. First of all, we have H1. We have heading 1. Heading 1 H1 actually it the title of the post. They are usually a keyword centric or focused around the big idea of a page post and crafted to grab reader's attention. So this is the main heading. Then we have H2. uh, these are the subheaders that classify the main points of your paragraph and separate the sections. We can say heading 2 called subheadings, and then we have H3. These are the subsections that clarify the points made in the H2 further. So subsection 3 we can say, and then we will go to the H4. These are the subsections that clarify the points made in the H3 furthers. So subsection 4 that clarify the points and clarify the heading of the H3, and then heading H5. um, H5, you can say just write H5 here. It's the further on we have H6. H6 heading, you can say these are the subsections, or we can say sometimes they are used in a bullet points like these things. So let's see how it look like. Headings, subheadings, subsections that indicates and clarify the heading of the 2, heading 4 that clarify the heading of the 3, H5 means heading 5 that clarify further H4, and so on. So we have 6 headings. Let's move to the second topic. That's a paragraph. P, it's indicates from P. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So let's start how it works. P paragraph indicates paragraph. Or this is one paragraph, and it's important to keep in mind that a browser will automatically keep and add an empty line before and after a paragraph. Let's add the second paragraph and we'll see how it looks like. This is our second paragraph. Now see how it works. This is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, and the P element in the HTML indicates the start of a new paragraph. Another important tag is bold. So it indicates from B. This is the opening tag of a bold and this is the closing. We also use a strong for bold as well, but there is a huge difference which is not shown in visibly, but in the background it has a huge difference and importance. The B element highlights a section of text in a bold to make it more visible to the user. The difference between both tags is that the B tag just makes the text visibly bold, while the strong tag additionally adds a semantic emphasis to a meaningful words or text area. Let's implement it practically. So we want to bold this section and B, cut this and add here This is B. I want to bold this sentence, or you can see this is bold. Now we use the strong tag, and from here to here you can see this is also visibly bold, but it's a semantic emphasis, meaning words or a text area. Let's move to the next topic. We have another topic, that is italic, and use I tag, or we can also use em for tag. Both have the same meaning, but like bold, the I is a simple give a shape to italic, while em is more emphasize a text or a statement. Let's move to a practically. We have a paragraph, so let's some changes in it. I italic, here we will use I and this one. We have some changes in it. You can see this is italic. In the same way we can use em. Here we will use em tag. Here you can see this is the em tag. Visually both are the same, but like and a bold, this is just an italic, but it emphasizes the text or a statement, and it's this emphasize or text as a statement to show just for computer language, or we can use it for SEO language as well. That's the keyword searching. So let's move to the next topic. Another important tag is underline, and for this tag we use U. So let's see how it works. We want to underline this one, U, and it's a very simple way. You can see now this is the line. This is all for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.